Hello students, today we will read grammar. That is your grammar magic book. The first chapter is alphabetical order. Okay, so what do you mean by alphabet? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Alphabetical order means arranging atoms such that the first letter of each atom follows the order of the alphabets. For example, if we have a basket of fruits, that is orange, apple, watermelon, mango, and banana, the alphabetical order in which we would arrange them would be apple, banana, mango, orange, and watermelon. When we have words that begin with the same letter, then we look at the second letter in the word to arrange them alphabetically. For example, BAG bake, BELT, BISCUIT, BRICK brick, BUILDING building. Here B is common in every word, so we have to look the second letter. Okay, now the second chapter is the sentence, types of sentence. Okay, so what is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. It must have words placed in the correct order. It begins with a capital letter. It ends with a full stop, a question mark, or an exclamation mark. It must have a verb in it. There are 4 types of sentence. That is, number 1, assertive, second, interrogative, third, exclamatory, and fourth one is imperative. Now let's discuss what is assertive sentence. A sentence that makes a statement. For example, this is a table. This assertive sentence ends with a full stop. This is a table. In the end of the sentence there is a full stop. And the second one, Kalpana has not come back home. Here also in the end of the sentence there is a full stop. Now interrogative sentence. A sentence that asks a question. A sentence that asks a question is called interrogative sentence. Short sentence, I mean the interrogative sentence says end with a question mark. Okay, a sentence that asks a question. For example, what is your name? Here in this sentence it ends with a question mark. What is your name? Here someone is asking someone's name. Now come to the exclamatory sentence. What is exclamatory sentence? A sentence that expresses any strong emotions. Any strong emotion is called an exclamatory sentence. For example, hooray! The exams are over. Alas! The dog fell into the gutter. These exclamatory sentences end with an exclamation mark. Now come to the imperative sentence. Imperative sentence is a sentence that requests or commands. For example, shut the door, please give me some food. Such imperative sentences also end with a full stop, but they usually do not have a subject before the main verb in the sentence. Here in the sentence shut the door, there is no subject. Here we may consider you as the subject. Okay, now let's discuss question tag. What is question tag? A question tag is nothing but a group of words that we add at the end of the sentences. So here a question arises. What is the simple rule behind use of question tag? In a positive sentence, we use a negative question tag, and in a negative sentence, we use a positive question tag. It is a rainy day. It is a rainy day. It is a positive sentence. So we have to use a negative question tag, that is, it is a rainy day, isn't it? Isn't it not angry? Isn't it? It is a negative sentence. The negative. So here question tag. You have to use a positive question tag, that is, he is not angry, is he? In the next class, I will teach you subject and predicate.